46 on the rock 1024, Texas.
Black Mustang, unreadable tags, 430 north, but 9, they were at 109. Taking Rodney Parham right now.
Copy, taking Rodney Parham.
Ten 37.
True band at 260. 1037.
He's blocked out on Breckinridge.
Copy, blacked out on Breckinridge.
Pulling in apartment complex. Footbell.
Stop! Stop! I'll fucking tase you! I will fucking tase you. Hands up! Hands up now! 3, 2.
Hey, wait!
Down!
Wait.
On the ground!
Wait!
On the ground now!
Wait! Wow! What the fuck? That's
Stop!
my
Get
son!
inside!
That's
Get
my
inside!
son! What's wrong,
Get
baby?
inside!
What's wrong? That's my
Get
son!
inside!
What's wrong? That's my son!
Taser,
What's
woman.
wrong?
Man, move!
Sir,
Get inside!
that's my son! What
inside.
happened?
Put your hands behind your back now!
Oh, what's wrong?
Now.
That's my son! Sir, please, that's
Stop!
my son.
If
What
you
is
doesn't do
wrong?
anything, I swear to God, I'm gonna tase
He's
you
not,
again.
baby, please.
You hear me?
sir.
I don't have anything on me.
I don't give a shit.
I know.
What's wrong,
Go back
sir?
inside, please.
Please tell me what's
I
wrong.
was speeding, Mama. I was speeding, and I was trying to get here.
Okay, do what he say, please.
I swear I will.
Please, sir. Okay. Okay.
I was just
Got
trying to
one
get here,
taser
Mama. I
required.
didn't have no ID or
Man,
nothing.
apartment complex.
Okay.
Not sure which
Just
one
stay
it is.
calm.
My ID in my room, Mama.
Please go
Okay. I'm gonna go get his ID.
If you
okay?
do anything,
He not, sir. I promise you, he not. He's a good kid.
I
So
swear
you
to
hear
God,
me?
officer, I'm not gonna do shit.
Officer. He's a good kid. You hear me?
no.
He's a good kid. Do you hear me?
I fucked up, Mama.
1015.
Mama,
Dope mail.
I love you.
I love you too.
I fucked up.
I love you.
All right, ma'am.
I'm so stupid, Mama.
Go inside. Hey, ma'am.
I can't learn my fucking lesson, Mama. I can't learn my lesson.
Baby, it's
bro.
okay,
I
baby.
should've
Baby,
been here.
hey, it's okay.
All right.
son, It's okay.
I should have been here,
Please, sir,
Mama.
please. Can you just be here with us, please?
No, we're going down to my car. Get up,
Okay.
please.
Come on, baby.
No, I need you back, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Get up.
That's all we sound like.
Get
an
up.
Officer.
Roll over. Bring your knees up to your chest.
Jay.
Listen to me.
Listen to him.
Bring your knees up to your chest, and we're going to stand up. Now. Up. Up.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
I'm not. I don't want any trouble, sir. I know.
Let's go.
He gonna listen
I'm not
to
going to
you.
tell you again. Go. Put your slides on. Let's get.
Can you fix this?
I'm not fixing shit. Either put your foot in.
He don't care, Mama.
Jay,
He don't
baby,
care.
he don't. And I'm telling you that it's not his job to care, okay? Just do what he say and go to the station, okay?
I'm going to jail.
Jaylen,
Tell me
please.
I love her. Tell me I love her.
Okay, Jay, please just
All
listen
because
to
of
me.
the because I wanted to do this for her, Mama.
Okay.
I wanted to
Follow up with you in a second. Just
Okay.
hang out up here.
Okay.
I wanted to do this.
Let's
I
go.
wanted to do this for Jamia.
Let's
and
go.
I wanted to make it happen for Jamia.
Okay, Jay.
I wanted to make it happen for Jamia.
Got the driver. He's the one I saw get out. Do you have anyone in the vehicle with you? No. Sir.
give me a second.
Okay.
Stop right here. Do you have anything on you that's illegal?
Yes, sir.
Man, please back up. Okay. Anything in the car that's illegal?
Yes, sir.
Why are you running 110 miles an hour down the interstate?
I'm trying to get here.
Not at 110. It's not the way to do it.
How you doing? Good. I'm his mother. I don't know what's going on. We're upstairs. We're talking to
Yeah.
in 764. We were just up there.
Turn around.
What's going on?
Get my car. You're going to jail. Get in my car. I'm not fucking telling you again. Get in my damn car now.
Son, get in the car, baby. You can't stop this, baby. You
Get in.
can't. Just
Get
get in. You cannot stop it. Just get in. Just do what they say. That's why I want to stay outside. Because he don't do. Sorry. He is a good kid. You understand what I'm saying?
No, I don't.
What happened? What happened? Because he was getting tased when I came outside.
You're damn right he was.
Do you want to stop and start?
Yes. Yes. Give me a second.
Got a caller behind her white Chevrolet